Hey guys, this is Afur Rahman from Tech Insight Zone, and in this quick video I'm gonna show you how you guys can send a gift message on Instagram. Now to do that, open your Instagram app and go to the message section. From there, select the recipient that you want to send a gift message. Once you select your recipient, now type the message. After that, click on the search icon over there. Once selected, now you can see a gift box like this. Simply click on that. The moment you click the gift box, your message will be sent, and when the recipient will click on the gift box, they will see your message like this. So that's it guys, for this video. I hope after watching this video you guys will be able to send a gift message to your loved one easily. And if you guys find any problem during this process, please let me know in the comment box, and I'll try my best to solve the issues. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.